Hi everyone. In this section, we will talk about sorting algorithms. So, sorting is a very useful, powerful technique that we also use in our daily life. For example, let's say you have a box of fruits and you want to categorize these fruits, or maybe you want to arrange these fruits in a particular order. Maybe you want to put apples first, then you would want to put oranges. What we will do some kind of sorting of these fruits. Okay, so or maybe we have automated machinery which wants to arrange these batteries in a particular order. Maybe these batteries are numbered like 1 followed by 2 followed by 3 followed by 4 followed by 5. They should be connected in a particular order, okay, and then they are packed and then they are shipped. So we can use sorting there as well. Or maybe talk about a simple bookshelf or a library where you want to put books sorted according to their names. That is also an example of sorting. Okay, so given so many applications of sorting, it becomes very important that we learn about sorting algorithms. So first of all, we will start with some basic algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, insertion sort. These are very basic algorithms, and apart from it there are certain other algorithms such as counting sort, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort. So those are little bit advanced algorithms. We will discuss them later on as we move through this course. Okay, so first of all we will focus on these three basic sorting algorithms. So let's begin.